As Ukraine's drone army has pushed further into Russia's defensive lines, many more artillery but also TOS-1A thermobaric multiple rocket launcher has been lost. As these are in much more limited numbers and expensive to build, each lost system lowers Russia's capability to deal short-range but high firepower capability. As it doesn't take much to destroy the system, a FPV drone hit the launcher tubes. While not filled with rockets, the drone started cooking off the rockets loaded, resulting in fireworks from the TOS system, ending up completely destroying it, showing the vulnerability of the system, especially as Ukraine works with a lot of FPV drones, destroying another of Russia's TOS system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.